welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be talking about sign names and how to sign your name. So if you are deaf, you definitely know sign names are a thing. And what are they? They are signs that your family, your friends give to you to represent your personality. So my sign name is Caela. So the sign for happy is happy, and I was given this name from a deaf person, or the sign name from a deaf person, because sign names are like a deaf community kind of thing. Only deaf people can give it to you, and he just saw me happy all the time. So my first name letter is C, so just Caela. One of my friends, Veronica, she has extremely curly hair, so her sign name is Veronica. So this is curly hair, so it's just Veronica. If you're hearing or hard of hearing and you don't know someone who's deaf, unfortunately you can't give yourself a sign name. You have to be given it from a deaf or hard of hearing person. So if you want to sign your name, you just have to go through the alphabet and hope you meet a deaf or hard of hearing person. I did get asked this question that I do want to talk about. It was an amazing question. It was like, how do you sign a double letter? So my dad's name is Matt, or Matthew. I'm just gonna say Matt. So he doesn't have a sign name. So to sign his name, you do M-A-T-T, but you don't go like T, then T. You move it over. So M-A-T-T. So you move it to represent two letters, so two repeating letters. So Matt, M-A-T-T. So that's how you sign your name if there's two repeating letters. But if you do want a sign name, you have to be given it from a deaf or hard of hearing person who is in the community, who understands the community. But if you guys have any questions about how to sign your name, how to just sign certain things that you don't understand, since sometimes there's no signs for words, so you just have to fingerspell it. But if you're just not sure, ask me and I'll help you. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and